Wait, coffee on the desk, charts don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Head stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the mood. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Lessons in the process, highly favored. As your princess path, I read it slow. Futures breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear, just clean routine. Zones get tagged and I stay unseen. If the candle lies, I don't lean in. If the prayer's peace, then
What's going on? I was talking and I was on mute. I'm really feeling that track right there. Want to make sure. Ah, there we are. We're live on YouTube. Savage, as you guys can see, is on the road. Let's talk about that dedication, though. My boy is dedicated.
My wife's
How's it going,
the dedicated
Savage?
one. She's driving out for me. We're cruising through Richmond, Virginia right now, heading on. Gonna make a
Let's
pit stop
go.
in DC. Celebrate our 250.
That's it. Going to DC. That sounds like a good day. Oh my God, we're missing this dump right now.
It's beautiful.
I can see it coming down to 971 real quick. I got my charts up real quick. 29, 971. I'm gonna just put that there. JD, how's it going? Good to see you, my man. Let me refresh this so I can see the chats. Listen.
How they favorite? Let's win. So,
Look at this thing melt right now. Let me mute my phone. This thing is melting, guys. This thing is melting.
it's just one of those things. I'll go back into this, but
Yeah. Let me put some music on. This thing, I'm going to just let this move play out because if not, I'm going to chase it. And I don't want to chase it right now.
yeah, I made a rookie mistake today, Brick.
What'd you
So
do?
I was going down. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna FOMO this. And I smashed the sell button on the very bottom.
Oh my
But
God.
I ended up closing account
No.
at green, but yeah,
Guys,
where did I
as you guys can see, I threw the line live, right? So everybody can see me throw the zone. I called out the zone 971. And boom, caught it, hit the rejection, 25 points right then and there. That was quick. That would have been a quick snipe right there. You see it. This is what the market does. Don't forget to hit us with a like. Hit us with a share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm gonna bring up the music a little bit. Okay. Let's forward it a bit.
Oh, there she goes.
Yeah, right through. My next zone to the bottom. Guys, this market is bleeding due to all of the bad news. We got a lot of bad news out in the market.
My next big zone I have marked out is 29,880.
29,880.
Yeah, that's my next big zone down.
That's interesting because I got a 789. I don't got nothing in the middle here. I can see that 880 though.
That falls off of the daily charts. I like playing off the wicks and the bodies of the daily charts for rejections and resistance areas. So that's one of the levels I have there for a good bounce.
see what this, gotta let this breathe a bit, because guys, just a quick overview of what happened today. Today we had PMI news. The market opened, it flushed, right? Because that was the unemployment news. It turned around right at PMI and went straight back up, rejected VWAP, came down to about 75%, had another push up. This caught a bunch of buyers in here. Once this area broke the highs from the morning, this caught a bunch of buyers into liquidity, and then they just flushed it on them. And as we looked at everything else, like, I'm gonna pull up XPX real quick. I can give you guys a secret as to why this made the move, but that'll be in the Discord. Hit the Discord. You'll be able to come in and see and understand why this move happened before even the news came out. Kelvin, what's going on? There's secrets to the market that it has to do. And then when we look at like the Mag 7, Tesla did actually pretty well this morning. Right out the gate, shot straight up. Google, that was all over the place. Oh, Google respected that order. Wait, let me share my screen to here, just so at least you can see something. I don't know if you're able to see me live, because I know you're on the road, but control OBS. So right now, I'm just waiting for the market to move. Oh. This is the previous day low. It's coming up to the previous day low. The market opened way up here this evening. In about another 8 minutes, we shall have sorry guys. We shall have the orb set, which is going to be a pretty big range. But if we hold under this 975 area, I'll be looking to short, and it'll be a good short down towards the zone that Savage has of 880. That's 100 points. And let me load up but I'm in nothing yet. Are you in anything, Savage? Let's see if we can.
No, I'm in no hurry to make a trade. I have a Starlink running right now that's been doing pretty good, but I'm always cautious on running a funded account right now. So I'm just
yeah, his charts look a little blurry, guys, because he's on Starlink. He's running on Starlink right now.
On the road.
So we need everybody to buy SpaceX so we can deploy more satellites.
More satellites.
Buy SpaceX, run it up. So where are you headed, Savage? While the market does what it needs to do, where are you headed?
Head to Pennsylvania to visit some family. I've been up there in about 6 years, so it's gonna go blow some fireworks and have some fun. So
come on now, that's the
right
beauty
now,
of trading.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a pit stop with the kiddos in DC. They're lighting up the Washington Monument and telling a story on it, on the founding of America and everything else. So we're gonna watch that and have some fun.
That's awesome, man. That is so awesome to be able to do that, have that freedom, and still make money on the way. Yeah, we're just watching this. I'm gonna bring my charts back up. See how it reacts at previous day low. See how it reacts up here. If you're on the chat, say what's up. Give it a like, give it a share. Stay high. Let us know where you're watching from. This is just our third stream, and if you notice by the thumbnail, we're gonna try to keep it consistent, try to keep the consistency going as far as not losing a trade, right? looking for something here. It's here. I want to see how this market interacts here. And I like the way this is setting up. I don't know if you can see my chart, Savage.
I do, yeah.
Okay, I'm liking the way this is setting up because we got VWAP coming down. We got the market coming up. I got a zone here that if it comes up here, I can see the rejection, right? Because we got confluence with a zone. And guys, these zones, they're pretty hot. They're pretty money. Somebody's on their way to target right now, shaking my head. All right, I guess you need a trade. You need a trade to make some money.
Did she get her nails done with all the money paid last night?
She did. She did go get her nails done. She did go get her nails done, and then she comes in this afternoon and she's like, "Hey, I would like to go horseback riding on the beach."
Bro, I was gonna say, you gotta do it on the beach for
Hey, like, I find that so boring though. But I'm gonna go horseback riding. I want to go hard, right? Let me do. I'm gonna put a sell limit. Wait, why? Hold on, I'm having issues here. Let me connect my account. Hold on. Let me hide this real quick. Connect. I think I showed it yesterday. Just connecting my account. Trade and view. If you trade on TraderVate, you can trade on here. And guys, listen, if this melts from here, while I was connecting my account, I'm gonna be pretty upset. 'Cause I want to see if it comes right back up here, takes me in, and then tanks. But I'm gonna be pretty upset. Because as you can see, I literally said it. It hits the zone. We're going in for the trade. Look at that. That would have been almost a day right there. Did you take that, Savage? Let me go peek.
No,
I'm gonna go peek.
my buttons are kind of funky here, so I don't.
God,
I think today
anybody on the chat take that?
Trade.
Anybody took that? This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But I'm pretty sure I can count on one person on the chat who took it.
JD, where you at?
Yep.
Oh. I got him already.
40 points. Well, 40 points. 40 points down. Straight down. That would have been the trade. That was the trade.
Yeah, that 40 points moved a lot faster than it did last night.
Yeah, we struggled for 40 points. Yeah, call him out, Kelvin. Where's JD? He's managing his trade right now. 45 points, just like that. Oh, you disappointed me, JD. Oh, I done spilled my water. Good Lord. I put it on top of my pen. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna put, David, you're on the charts. I'm gonna mute my camera real quick.
You're good. I'm just watching the zones here. Wealth charts is, I don't know, I'm learning it right now. But its mobile version is not necessarily my favorite. It's a little bit laggy. So I think today may be one of those no trade days. That's all you can get to New York open tomorrow. Here we go. Am I still live or am I kicked off here?
Yeah, you're live. I'm just cleaning up this
Okay.
mess real quick.
No, you're good. But on wealth charts, they offer, I think it's their proprietary trading thing. So the sell zones are working for them. Hit it, dumped it.
All right.
Just watching this thing here.
Turn. What a mess. Sorry about that. I'm just glad it didn't fall on my hour. But look, you guys saw it. I was connecting my account. I had my cell zone, which I always put it higher. I'm gonna come in and bring it down. And there goes the trade. I see a 038 as an entry. Yeah, that was the zone. You know my zones. You're part of the Discord,
Yep.
You'll know the zones. Sign up to the Discord right now. It's a free Discord. I'll tell you what though, that's frustrating. That would have been the trade, zone to zone, hold, and then keep coming down. And we have the orb is set. We got orb low and orb high right there. Interesting how the orb high hits right around VWAP. We're just gonna see what happens. Gotta give it some
You have that
time.
marked up on your charts?
Wait, let me go back to my chart. Yeah, right there. We got the orb high at 30,046. Orb low, 29,953. This is for the Asia market. This is it here. It's interesting how it lines up with orb high. The VWAP does. Rejecting previous day low. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna move this up because I don't want it to jump up and put me in a trade without me having confluence on looking at. Down. Let's see. And just as an FYI, Savage is traveling tomorrow night. The market is going to be pretty dead due to it being the market close being on Friday. We will not be streaming tomorrow. So it's going to be a nice long weekend.
Let's see what I've watched tick for tick.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm trying to just draw a box on the charts, and I'm not having very much success. So I think I'm just hang tight.
We gotta hard code the orb into that chart.
Yeah.
We can hard code that.
I usually trade off my trading view chart with wealth charts because I can't do everything on wealth charts that I can on trading view.
Yeah.
And I have all my lines and indicators and everything set up. Let's see what I can put up here. I'm very much like O'Callaghan. I prefer phone trading, but I got my charts. I got charts on charts and ready to roll.
Sitting
But,
in the back seat with the driver. Come on now.
Yep. I just gave her a little chauffeur hat. And I'll have busted arm later for saying that, but
Look at this.
it's all good.
All right, this thing needs to set up another trade like quickly. This needs to set up another trade quickly. I'm not liking the fact that I missed the move. $50 points right there. What's this?
That was it.
YouTube on my phone started. Yeah, let's see what happens. I just gotta wait now. Missed the trade. It happens. You come in, You miss it. See what the 15-minute looks like. Still has continuation down. So what I gotta wait for now is the break of this zone, claim and retest, and then let it tank. But until then, I gotta be patient, sit on my hands. It is what it is. But if anybody would have taken that, your night would have been done for the night. You would have started your weekend nice and early. But we just wait. I would love to. I would love if this thing was to snipe down. I'll take the snipe back up. But until then, there's nothing I can do. 0. Which would be the 9. I'm looking at my other charts here. 912. If we get a nice rejection candle down to 912, right back up, take that. Let me close that before I leave an open order sitting somewhere.
Yeah, I was playing around with Mike, seeing what I could do. Place some limit orders, and I accidentally got market orders. So,
okay, so you got some limit orders in place?
Well, then I went to put a limit order in, but it filled a market order. So I put my stop loss.
Oh, you're in the bottom?
Sell.
You're in the sell? Also, your entry is, let me see if I can see your entry. I know it's a little blurry, guys. He's running on, I can see him clearly on my end on the streaming platform. Actually, let me bring that up. Wait, let me see if I can fix that actually. Video settings, frame rate. Oh, you got out? Yeah, pumped up. Kelvin says, please, sir, can I have another one? Yeah, if it sets up, we definitely can have a bunch more. Just gotta wait for it to set up. Let me see if I bring down your frame rate. That make it clearer.
Hey, Bert, can you hear me now?
Oh, I hear you.
Yeah, my microphone thing. I had a phone call rolling and it kicked me off, so. Okay.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so I got stopped out for $50, that's fine.
Yeah, you got stopped out. Yeah, here comes the pump back up. See, that would have been the first touch. Second touch, we have to evaluate it, right? We have to see how it reacts on the second touch here. I just don't jump in to jump in. I evaluate the trade depending on what it's doing. It's coming up, but it almost hit the bottom zone. Oh, yeah, look, I'm clearing up your charts, you know, on YouTube. I'm clearing them up. Those are looking better. If you can see Savage's charts better, comment in the chat. They are a lot cleaner. Yeah, that's
got my
a
back
lot
right on.
nicer.
Got my mobile studio ready.
See, right here, we're at VWAP. We're gonna tap the top of the orb. We go my other screen. 088. Oh. See, guys. All right, I'm not. Oh, we got somebody in the chat who is in when I clearly said, let's wait to see the reaction off of here. All right, let's see if it can melt for you. I am going to place an order. 088. Still. Right there. I'll take a 87.25 if we pop up. or it can just reject here and continue going, right? But JD, you're making sure, make sure you are sized appropriately for this zone here. You can have a rejection way up here. So we're just gonna wait. I think we got like a few people on the chat. I mean on the viewers. I potentially see this popping up to 0.88. That's why I put it up here. And it also lines up with the Ocala strategy. And just FYI, your charts are in there, Savage.
Yeah,
actually,
I'm
that thing is
there.
signaling a buy, huh?
Yeah, it looked to a buy zone on their wealth thing that they have.
I would like to know what they base that on. Look at that. We get to see Savage trade with the sunset in his background. In this setting.
Looks pretty out here.
Let's see if this thing can come down. I'm hoping it comes down for JD. He's in there. I'm hoping this thing flushes down. Hoping it gives him profits.
What's your max risk on this?
You in
Do you
2
even know what a
minutes?
stop loss is?
What is that? We don't know what that is. We can see the buyers flip the bullish. 15 is still bearish. Oh, I really like this. Actually, I really like my entry. Let me show this. I really like my entry. That's 0.8725 because it actually lines up with the bottom of the orb from this morning.
Yeah.
So we shall see.
Like
See
it.
this thing. It's gotta get up there though. Guess we'll get some movement here at 9 o'clock. Wife is out there doing some stuff. Let me play. Where's the music at? 47. Let me play a song that I have. Actually, I'm gonna play the opening track that I use for the disclaimer. I really like that song. I can
Late
hear
night.
it. There you go, JD.
Session.
He is in. He's. I say there you go, right? In some streams, it's 5 points. They'll be like, kaboosh! Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. Nasdaq down 5. Nasdaq down 7.
I trust the plan and let it go.
I'm trolling,
That's my
guys.
next
Time I
number there.
set up, I let it go.
Gotta love the
Slow money
sevens.
wins, that's all I know. Oh, how they
MACD is
favor,
negative.
how they favor.
I know it's negative. That's why I don't use it.
How they favor, how they favor, how they favor. I wait on purpose.
Look,
How they
it
favor,
bounced off
how
the
they
9.
favor, how they favor.
See,
Blessings in the
guys.
process. How they favor.
right here. Look at
As
that.
the prince is
Look
back,
at that
my rate is
push
slow.
off the
Futures
9.
breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear.
Other people
Just
use
clean
a ton of
routine.
different
Zones get
indicators
tagged
and
and I stay unseen.
this, that,
If
and the third.
candle
I
lies,
don't speak
need
highly
it.
negative. Whatever
If the
works for you,
prayers
works for
peace,
you.
then I begin. One good
But
answer
I
can change the night.
trade
Faith over high keeps
my
the
trade, right? And
How
those
they
that
favor,
hear me
how they favor.
on the Discord know that they've been wondering, what is he looking at? What does he see? You see, if it doesn't break below this, then I'm not in no sell. That's the first time, first touch. Second touch is weary. We come up here, it's gonna get me in right there, and then I'll take that down to here, which would be 45, 50 points. There goes the push. Goes the push.
Quiet and bold. If the setup comes, I'll be ready to go. Bless the weight and bless the flow. Highly favored, highly favored.
Really like this song.
Push.
There we go. We're pushing. I like to peek at somebody else's screen because they like to go in slow mo as well.
Lessons in the process, highly
Good.
favored.
See, that thing called out a buy, man. That thing was pretty accurate.
Yeah.
That thing was pretty accurate. Let me see. Guys, don't get overwhelmed. The screen is about to get a little crazy. Don't get overwhelmed. Let me see what we're looking at. I still gotta add the Asia session in here. But listen, right now, this
Trying to
algorithm
figure out, see what my
is
looking at your charts here.
three losses. I mean, 3 wins, 1 loss, with a win rate of 75%, total PNL 94. That's not what I've made. That's just what this has called out, right? It's not what I've made. I'm still in testing stages of this whole debacle here. I'm looking to clean some of it up. I want to clean out the days of the week. I'm going to put that on a separate chart. But yeah, I don't have the new one here with the Asia sessions in it.
Looks solid.
So I know that thing looks overwhelming to a lot of people.
More crayons.
Yeah.
More stuff on the chart is better.
But when I'm done with that right there is going to be able to give us an edge on the market. As you can see, this week is only called out 3 trades, and that's in the New York session. 3 trades, so about 1 trade a day, and it's up $9,000. So that's not too
Solid.
bad. What is it? What is my car app telling me? Oh, your free complimentary trial. Oh, your free compliment island roll.
Do you still have your limit order set up in the 80s here?
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to come up to the 80s. We went up to 65. But see, it held support at the 9 on the previous candle. Now it's holding support at the VWAP.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I can't take a trade on here. The one where I was trying to hit the limit order was like a 6-second delay, and then it went in, and my take profit and everything else was a big delay too. So
Yeah.
can't chance a crazy with. My overall stats are pretty solid on this account, so I don't know how to go backwards on the calendar. Let me show you. But right now, I got 68% win rate, highest day $500. I got, I think, 10 days in on this account. So,
Nice.
not looking for home runs, just looking for consistency. Because I figured I blow up more accounts than ever if I just trying to hit them. But if I take small wins over a period of time, I'll make more than I would if I just try to hit home runs.
That's
So,
it.
been dialing in on the consistency, which we've done the last couple of nights. And a couple $100 a day.
That's it. I looked at my consistency today, and it was on one of my accounts, 88% win rate. My other one is at 77. You can't beat that.
Yeah, the one that we're trading for this, for the streams, which I can't load up on this computer because it's a Rhythmic connection, so I can do it from my PC, or I can trade from the Rhythmic app, which I'm not touching because it's so antiquated. But it's that accounts 100% of the trades we took. So
Let's go. JD, you still holding that trade? It's nice that this stream is small, that we can actually call people out by name and see what they got going on and worry about people's trades. Oh, let me get some music.
My kids are calling my wife out saying you're a slow driver.
Back to this. Actually got to download some more music. All right, here we go. Guys, this on the US, I'm so used to calling the NY market the US market. But this right here is a long all day on the US side. Oh, let me stream it. Because it's pumping right off the org. This is what we look for on the New York side. And then you go up to 50%. So what you do is like trading view. Maybe it's just me. I don't know how to navigate it. I shouldn't say I don't like it. I don't know how to navigate it. Right there.
You're on TradingView. I can send you my script that I made that breaks out all the efficiencies and everything.
Oh, really? Even on Asia?
Yeah, I can adjust it.
I wonder.
I have it set up for New York, but I can have it set up for any session I'm on.
Oh yeah, I don't got it for 50%. That'd be good. Ability, extend, no extend. I want to extend it. So here we go. It looks like this is gonna trigger us in here, hopefully. Oh, JD got stopped out.
Yeah, the 50% level is right around 84 for this session here.
Yep. And that's actually where it opened. It opened at 84.75, which is the 80s level. That could be nice.
You talking to 6 p.m. open?
Yeah. 6 p.m. open right over here. Where is it? Right here.
Yeah, there it is.
Opened here.
Shut up with you.
So, see if we get a nice little push here in the next 2 minutes. This can be bullish the whole night, but I gotta trade my trade. Gotta trade my trade. Let me see what the 1 minute looks like. I really don't trade the 1 minute. Sideways, 9 broke up. 15 minutes. Yeah, I kind of like this. At least for a 40, 50 point rejection. Yes. Different music. No copyright music. Short set limit. I got my short set at 87.25 JD. I was looking for that wick up, but look, the Ocala strategy just paid out. Literally. Look at this. At 80, 81.50 and 10.
Flat.
I was looking for
Drop
a
20
little bit
points.
higher. And I'm gonna still leave mine at a little bit higher. I gotta trade my trade.
Yeah, he throws on too minis at that level, and he would have been out already.
Yep. Yep. It's
Yeah,
$800
maybe $400
bucks.
on it. Call it a day. Yeah. 10 to 20 points to be done.
Guys, I'm just letting this play out. I'm not rushing into no trade, especially after today's mess.
My camera like auto zoomed in to like my nostrils.
Oh snap!
I don't know how to unzoom it. I don't know how to fix it first. Look at the zoom, like how I'm trying to.
Yeah, that 80 level. My God, the Ocala 80. Oh, it is what it is. Being greedy today with my entries. I'm being greedy. Look at that, 40 points.
You see the thing on my card. Look how zoom that is. I can't.
40 points. So we missed the first 40-point trade, another 40-point trade, or whatever. So I have camera, Savage's camera for now. Yeah, my entry was still there. My entry is still there. Yeah, oh, that was a snipe. That was an Ocala snipe right there. Literally. 81 and tank. Now, what I would wait for, some people don't like the way I trade. Oh, Lord. Average 60 points. So, would have to be the retest there and then down to here. That'll be my next trade. That'll be my next trade. God, I got greedy by 7 points. Got greedy by 7 points. And that would have paid. The better question is, JD, did you make up what you lost on that short? Because I know you took it. I know you took it. Yeah, and then the bottom of the orb for today was here, which lined up with my entry. That would have been perfect. All good. Somebody watching this. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. Seven points. And 7 points on NQ is nothing. All I was looking for was a little wick up, like just wick. Just a little wick up. And honestly, I wasn't even paying attention that it was sitting at the 80s. They're Savage. Savage is back.
Yeah, I'm back.
Wasn't paying attention that it was at the 80s, because I most likely would have took that, right? And then gave it a 7-point room. Like, oh Lord. That's frustrating. That's frustrating.
I think JD just got stopped up top too.
Yeah, he got
Back to his
stopped
entry point.
and then tanked. Not for nothing, I'd rather miss a trade than get stopped and then it would go my way. That's just me though.
The short
See, we
signals that just fired on this chart here.
I guess USA just scored a goal for those that follow soccer.
What's that, Bert?
I guess US scored a goal.
I don't know.
I see everything around me flashing that the US just scored a goal. I guess there's a game on. Sorry, I don't follow sports, guys. Came straight down to previous day low. Oh, sweet. Change. Instrumental. It decides to play out here. Yeah. I see it moving. I don't hear it yet. All right, let's see. Let me get this. I'm gonna try the 38.75. Oh, Savage got disconnected. Just us for now. He's on the road, so I get it. I'm gonna see if this would give me the trade right above my zone. Would like to hit another hit off the VWAP and then a tank. So we shall see. But it's rejecting the 9 on the 5. I think Savage is coming back in. Yep, there he is. He must be driving through some bad area. Nope, didn't get in, waiting. You had to show, we saw the right idea, JD. We saw the right idea. He was a little bit anticipated on the move. I forgot to make coffee. And I was too greedy on the points. But trading should have been done for tonight. What time is it? 8:48. And being that Savage is on the road and I got something to handle here at the house here in a bit, hopefully I'll be able to get a trade. And if not, the day the consistency stops. And I would love to keep the consistency going, right? I would love to keep the consistency of a trade going. Don't want to trade. I want to see. Here we go. Let's see if it puts me in. I'm looking to take the trade. Now, guys, this is a risky trade. Letting you know now. We got higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right at the point of previous day low. I'm just going to take this trade. Oh, it's got me in. Put me in. Didn't even realize that. Yeah, we got higher highs, higher lows. So, risky trade. That's how you see it's higher highs right here. And watch it go up to my entry where I originally wanted this at. Would be so mad right now. This is a risky trade. Risky trade here, but we shall see what it does. I will need this to hold lower. This is the famous Tory trend lines. Need this to just hold lower. Doesn't look like it wants to come down. Just looking at the volume that's coming in is pretty high. The volume coming in is fairly high. It's holding the 9 and the VWAP right here. Right there, that's holding. Right here. The 9 and VWAP are starting to cross up. It's gonna come up to my 87, man. Yeah, it could come up here. And that's a little frustrating. So what I did was I chased an entry based on wanting to get in a trade. That's what happened. I chased an entry wanting to get in a trade. I have to stick to my guns. I got another sell limit up top. If it comes up to my original entry area, I'll take it. And let's just, it'll bring my average up till about here, around this zone. Then I can make the money on the way down. So we shall see. It's coming. It's pumping. It is pumping. This market is pumping. Is it the soccer game that's making this thing pump? Who knows? Let's see. This could be potentially a loss. No cap. I always risk 500 to all my trades. So now we're in. Average is up here. This is a very, very bullish move though. Yeah, Savage, we see that. Savage, it put me in. I took a lower trade when I should have waited just to get in a trade. I'm gonna give it time and see what it does. I'm risking 500. See what it does. It's pumping. This market is pumping right now. This can go all the way up to 127, guys. All the way up here. This can go all the way up here. And I take the loss the same way I take the W's. I'll be happy with it. Doesn't matter. But I got desperate and pushed the button. Let me see where the news is at. average is 69.05. Yeah, this thing is pumping. Like the volume that came in. Oh, we're getting ready to go into 9 o'clock. I'm gonna wait till 9 o'clock. I'm gonna wait till 9 o'clock. Hopefully it doesn't push me out at 9 o'clock. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna hold it. This is wild. If I would have waited at my original entry, I only would have been down 20 points. But now I'm down a bunch of points. Let me look at the news. Trade small. Guys, if your account can't handle it, trade small. Let me look at this news. At 8:40, we had another round of missiles struck across Kyiv. Moments ago, no additional launches are currently en route. So there's bombing somewhere. Yeah, this is what we got here as far as news. That just came out at 8:40. And this also came out. So all of the news is being dovish and the market's pumping. Make that make sense. Just gonna have another little pump here. We got 4 minutes to 9 o'clock. We'll see what 9 o'clock does. This is gonna keep pumping. I saw the volume coming in. I'm gonna risk a little bit more than my normal 500. Let's see. I got desperate for the entry. You pay the price when you get desperate. Should have sat on my hands. Yeah. The MACDs are dropping. Yeah, everything is pointing bearish. The news is pointing bearish. Yeah, 100 points up. Crazy. It's crazy. We got negative news. Everything is pointing down, and this turns around and goes bullish. That's the stock market for you. It'll be the first loss. Let me put I got a buy limit. I'm gonna put my buy limit down here. Get the get the hammer out. Hey, that's it right there. We need a big hammer this time. Start pounding this thing down. Start pounding this thing down. Bring it down. Here we go. We got a few seconds, 45 seconds till 9 o'clock, which would be another injection of liquidity. That's why you got to trade your accounts according to your size. This account can withhold a little $500 push down. And the reason I didn't, normally I give a trade 500. I didn't close at 500 because of everything is negative. Everything I'm seeing out there is negative. So I don't get it. Market stop by. I don't know what a market stop by is. Forgive me, but I don't know what that is. Here we go. Does that mean you're going for a sell? You're going for the buy? It's gonna push to 127. It's gonna push to 127. It's gonna push to 127. This stinks. I'm just... There goes the 124, 127. Guys, this thing turned around. There goes the 127 area. Look at this. They're showing, I can't show the picture, but let me visit this site. They just published this, so they're headlining this right now in Asia. They're headlining that right now in Asia. This was a typical day on the border under the sleepy Joe Biden administration with border Caesar Kamala Harris. That's the news they're putting out right now in Asia. All right, let's see if we can drive this thing down. Now it's just trying to mitigate my losses, right? Now I'm just looking to mitigate these losses. It's not going to happen. This thing is going to keep pumping. What a turnaround. Cyrus, do you see anything? Ah, God. Just gonna let it play out. I would have had about half these losses. If I would have had just my original entry, I would have only been down 250. But played the chart, right? I played it here. Played this area here. Looking for the rejection, but it broke. Claimed it and pushed up. Let's see. Getting ready to cut this though. Another 90 seconds and I'll know. We take the losses with the wins. Gold is going wild, he says. See, this is what I don't understand, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Gold is pumping because there's talks about war and the defense, and which means that the NQ should be going down. It should be going down. Give me 1 second. My dog is trying to get out. So we got zone up here, but I'm not gonna hold it to way up there. It'll be, if anything, a loss for the day. Yeah, this is gonna be a loss. I got 10 seconds before I close it. One more second. Wait. This one's gonna hurt. This one will hurt. But I don't get it if gold is going wild, like. Yeah, I'm gonna go and cut that trade. We got it to 159, the 1 hour. But I don't want to hold it that. I don't know if my account can withhold it. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this trade. That's $1,000 down. That is wild. What a turnaround from previous day low. It's $1,000 down, guys. Look for another setup. I'm just gonna wait. Wait 1 second, I'm answering the text. It comes up here, definitely slapping it. This is wild. There's no news. Here we go. Right off a previous day low. Wild, Savage. So wild. Like, none of the news makes sense. Yeah, they just put out news that gold rises 1%. This makes no sense whatsoever. 206. Got a 206 zone. This trade I'll take and make it all back. Yeah, JD, this is wild. This account can withhold a down draw. All of the news are pointing negative. This is the 15-minute. Look at the 1 hour. But actually, that software that Savage had on his computer called the buy. That thing called the most beautiful buy ever. That thing really called the buy. But I don't know what is it looking at, so I didn't take it. But that thing truly called the buy. I think it's wealth charts, whatever that is. I was looking for my zone up here at 206. This is the 15-minute. SK confused too. Oh, really? Bro. Let me go listen to him. Because it like literally this made no sense, guys. Oh yeah, he's sitting like this. He's sitting like this right now. That's his confused look. This push literally made no sense. It came out of nowhere. And that's what the market does. Wish I had some giveaways to give away to people to be able to make up. Yeah, that's... I want to see this push to my next zone. When this drops, the drop is going to be crime candle. Crime candle for real. That's a generational crime candle. Like, that crime candle is sick. Like, that's sick. This. Oh, nice. You took the pump. Let's go. Good job. That's what you meant by a market stop buy. It's a good 80 point pump. So man, you got out at the tippy top of that? That's a good exit at the tippy top there. Looking for here. And now the market slows down. You see buys all the way up to 534, way up here. Way up here. 22 seconds left on this 15-minute. NFP tomorrow. Non-farm payroll. Unemployment claims coming out tomorrow as well. It's going to be a wild one tomorrow morning. Oh, my daughter works from home. All right. Set up ready. No, not picking me up. What's that actually? Yeah, this is gonna have a nice little healthy pullback now. Change. Does it look like who's buying NQ up here? Oh, who knows? Who knows, man? Like, makes no sense. It makes no sense. The 206.50 zone. But actually, before we get in, I want to see if it's going to take this wick. 231. Dandy hit. So there's something here that I'm missing. I wonder. Wanted to see if it takes this wick. Netflix is pumping. Yeah. Other streamers are like, they say crazy news come out, but nobody saw the news. Nobody saw the news. So where's this news at? I'm laughing because I'm listening to somebody who's been in the industry like 40 years. And when they can't make sense of this, how should I try to make sense of this? Right? I'm gonna move this up to the wick. Like, do I even continue to trade, take the hit and recover it tomorrow throughout the day? I don't know, but it just doesn't make sense, guys. This does not make sense. I'm looking to see what else is out there. There's no news. that can justify this. JD, are you hearing this? Are you listening? Trying to see. This is news because look how much it rallied, all that volume that came in, and it stopped. The market literally stopped. Like if this was a true rally, something that wasn't manufactured, you would have started seeing a whole bunch of movement. There's no movement. Yes, Kelvin. I mean, JD, SK. He's sitting there confused like me. I'm in a daze right now. Like, I can't even think straight. Because it doesn't even make sense in my head. It just doesn't make sense. What is... Gold had a nice rejection. See, this rejection should have been now on NQ. But it's not going there. Savage, this is like, I don't even know what to do from this point. Like 922. This is wild. The market be like that. Market be like that though. Get it. But at the end of the day, I got my afternoon coffee. At the end of the day, God is still good. God is still great. He gives us the strength, the breath to breathe, to see another day. And at the end of the day, He'll take care of us. Look at this drop. And NQ is not doing it. Which it should have been the opposite when it pumped up. If it's on war news, NQ should have. I was trading MNQ on the 15 and the 30 for that long. Took off the candle wick. Well, here it whipped, right? On the 30 minute, it whipped that previous day low. Getting sleepy, I forgot my coffee. Previous day low. On the 15 as well, previous day low. I should have closed this trade out way before, but I just didn't see this coming. Just didn't see this coming, guys. Well, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. There's like This came to a pause. This came to a complete pause when something smells fishy. It came to a complete pause. Like, who got in here and what are they expecting for tomorrow? So I don't get it. Let me see. Those that are online, I'm gonna end the stream here. There's nothing here. I can't explain this move. I just take it in the chin like a champ. We'll come back in and we'll do this all over again. Might do a pop-up stream tomorrow at some point during the day to make this back, but we shall see. You guys have a blessed evening. Have a blessed night. Remember, keep your mind focused. Keep your mind set on the Lord and keep your heart pure and righteous before the Lord. We'll see you guys tomorrow. For those of you that are on here, have access to the Discord, let's jump over on the trading floor and discuss this because I'm confused. Have a blessed night. Savage, hope you have a safe trip. Keep that family safe, my brother.